Hello students, Rohtash Sharma here, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department, RPIIT Technical Medical Campus. Today we discuss about the topic thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? The field of science which deals with the energies possessed by gases and vapors is known as thermodynamics. And what is thermal engineering? Thermal engineering is the field of science which deals with the application of thermodynamics and its laws to work producing and work absorbing devices. Now, thermodynamic system. Thermodynamic system is a space or area where some thermodynamic processes is taking place, or we can say it is a region where our attention is focused for studying thermodynamic processes. And system and surrounding is separated by a layer which is called boundary layer. Now, types of systems. There are mainly three types of system: open system, closed system and isolated system. Closed system. Closed system is a system of fixed mass, means there is no mass transfer, only energy transferred. As shown in figure, a closed system, the gas in the cylinder is considered as system. If heat is supplied to the cylinder from external sources, the temperature of the gas will increases and piston will rise up. As piston rise up, the boundary of the system moves, or we can say heat and work energy crosses the boundary of the system during this process, but there is no addition or loss of original mass of the working substance. So in a closed system does not permits a mass transfer across its boundary, but it permits transfer of energy. Second is the open system. In an open system, the mass of the working substances crosses boundary of the system. As shown in figure of an air compressor which illustrates an open system, the working substance crosses the boundary of the system as low pressure air enters the compressor and leaves the high pressure air. The work crosses the boundary of the system through the driving shaft and heat transferred across the boundary from cylinder walls. Thus, in an open system, mass and energy both transferred. Now, isolated system. A system which is completely uninfluenced by the surrounding is called an isolated system. It is a system of fixed mass and no heat or work energy cross its boundary. In other words, we can say in isolated system neither transfer of mass nor energy. A open system in the universe is an example of isolated system. Okay, thank you.